The remains of Kian Delos Santos are exhumed a day short of his 5th death anniversary on Monday, August 15. Delos Santos' family retrieves his remains from La Loma Cemetery in Caloocan City, a public cemetery where the lease lasts for 5 years only. Father Flavie Villanueva of the AJ Kalinga Center blesses Delos Santos' remains before opening the tomb. A student at the time, police killed the 17-year-old Delos Santos under former President Rodrigo Duterte's drug war in a dark alley near his house on August 16, 2017. The court found 3 policemen guilty of Kian's killing and that the 3 had lied about the circumstances of the boy's death. Villanueva says Delos Santos' remains would be re-examined more thoroughly by forensic expert Dr. Raquel Fortun to unearth the deeper truth about his death.